Hello, very good morning children. My dear children, in Partnership Fundamental, yes, today we are going to study the calculation of manager's commission on net profit, whether the information given in the questions, and partner's commission, interest on partner's loan in case of loss to the firm, and fifth one, when appropriation are more than profit. I mean to say in हिंदी हम आज सीखेंगे कि मैनेजर्स कमीशन ऑन नेट प्रॉफिट कैसे कैलकुलेट किया जाता है, पार्टनर्स कमीशन किस प्रकार उसका कैलकुलेशन होता है, हाउ दिस वन इज कैलकुलेटेड, एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन पार्टनर्स लोन in that sense of partnership deed, or what happened in case of loss to the firm when the appropriation are more than profit. With the example I would like to tell you. First we are going to calculate the manager's commission on net profit. Accounting treatment, just you will have pay your kind notice. Remember, so here is the board. Keep your eyes on the board. Just suppose that your favorite serial are just the shows is being telecasted on the screen of television. So what's the attentions? What's the concentrations you use in watching your favorite show, just like the concentration is needed over here. Remember, now manager's commission on net profit. Suppose that any firms of the profit for the year, net profit for the years, profit for the years is equal to 22,000, and the commission in the information that is given, the manager is entitled to get a commission of 10%. Get a commission of 10% before charging such commission. Now here see the word before charging and after charging. Before charging, net profit into rate upon 100. Whether the information given before charging the commission. So you can find out this way: 22,000 into rate of commission is equal to 10% upon 10 upon 100. 10 upon 100. Cancel. It's equal to the commission will be 2,200. Now pay your pen notice over here right now. वहाँ देखा बेटा, मतलब यदि दिया है क्वेश्चन में इस तरह का इंफॉर्मेशन है कि बिफोर चार्जिंग सच कमीशन, तो उसका फार्मूला होता है नेट प्रॉफिट इनटू रेट अपॉन 100, जो भी रेट दिया हुआ है. आफ्टर चार्जिंग, whether the after charging given, so you can the formula NP into rate upon 100 plus rate after charging. यदि इस तरह का शब्द है, इस तरह का वर्ड है, such words are used in the information after charging the commission. then you can calculate this way. Now 22,000 into 10 upon 100 plus 10 is equal to 10 upon 110. Only 2,000. The commission will be, manager's commission will be 2,000. Clear? Now the words given before charging and treatment of this amount, it is debited in the profit and loss account, not profit and loss appropriation account. Because of that, this one is the manager's commission and the firm is liable to pay such commission. इसे हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में दिखाते हैं, न कि हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में दिखाते हैं. सो इट इज डेबिटेड इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. डेबिट करने के बाद जो प्रॉफिट बचेगा उसे हम क्या करेंगे, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में लेकर आएंगे और उनका पार्टनर्स के बीच बांटेंगे. नाउ द second things, partners commission. Just I am going to tell you how to calculate the partners commission. Now see here, partners commission. In this also you can find the before charging such commission or after charging such commission. Now see here, suppose that A and B, two partners, sharing profit in the ratio of 2:1. Profit for the year 20,000. 20,000. Keep in your mind, A is entitled to get a commission 10% before charging, and B is entitled to get a commission of 10% also after charging the commission of A. After charging the commission of A. How this one is calculated? ध्यान रहे, A और B दो पार्टनर हैं जो अपने प्रॉफिट को 2:1 के रेशियो में शेयर करते हैं, और इसे यह जो है 10% ए जो है कमीशन पाता है नेट प्रॉफिट का, और बी जो है नेट प्रॉफिट का कमीशन 10% बी भी पाता है, लेकिन से ए का कमीशन चार्ज होने के बाद. तो आप क्या देखेंगे, 20,000 ए का कमीशन निकालेंगे. एज कमीशन 20,000 into 10 upon 100. This way, A's commission is equal to 2,000. A का कमीशन 2,000 हो गया, और after charging the commission of A, the B is entitled to get a commission of 10%. So 20,000 minus 2,000, मतलब इनका कमीशन निकालने के बाद भी इंटाइटेड है, इक्वल टू 18,000 into 10 upon 100 इक्वल टू 1800. 1800 ये A का कमीशन हो गया और ये B का कमीशन हो गया. ध्यान रहे, in the information such types of word you can find in questions. क्वेश्चन में इस तरह का इंफॉर्मेशन रहता है कि आप ए का कमीशन चार्ज करने के बाद बी का कमीशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे. These are transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. It is debited in the profit and loss appropriation account. Remember, is it clear? ध्यान रहे मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। नाउ नेक्स्ट, one, just we are going interest on partners loan. 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 See, the loan can be granted by the partners from the firm and granted to the firm. दोनों चीज हो सकता है। एक तो होता है कि फर्म से हम लोन ले सकते हैं और दूसरा होता है फर्म को लोन दे सकते हैं। तो दोनों का देखें, A is the partner, A is the partner in a firm, granted loan to the firm 1,50,000, means he advanced the loan to the firm. ये जो है फर्म को 1,50,000 रुपए का ऋण दिया है और उस पर वो इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन पाने का हकदार है। वेदर इन द इंफॉर्मेशन इन पार्टनरशिप दैट इज नॉट गिवन द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन, सो द पार्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द पार्टनरशिप एक्ट द पार्टनर इज एंटाइटल्ड to get or interest on loan 6% per annum. 6% per annum. 1,50,000 into 6 upon 100. It's equal to 9,000 for the whole years. Whether the whole years. Now, point to be remember. When the loan is granted, जब लोन दिया पार्टनर देता है, अगर जो कहीं भी रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट नहीं है बॉडी, तब भी वो 6% का अकॉर्डिंग टू द पार्टनरशिप एक्ट ब्याज पाने का हकदार होता है। ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया। उसी प्रकार लोन ले भी सकता है, वॉट एवर द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट given in the information to receive the loan from the firm, the interest on loan is calculated. Suppose that loan has be 1,50,000, just 1,50,000 taken the loan from the firm. And rate of interest is equal to 10% per annum. So you can calculate this by 10 upon 100. Means 15,000 rupees, 15,000. That is paid by the B. That will be paid by the B. मतलब यदि बी ने 1,50,000 का लोन फर्म से लिया है और रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 10% दिया हुआ है, तो वो क्या करेगा, ब्याज की जो रकम है वो फर्म को पेबल होगी, बी देगा। ट्रीटमेंट, अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट, कीप इन योर माइंड दिस विल बी debited or credited in the profit or loss account. Here is इंटरेस्ट, इन्होंने फर्म को लोन दिया है तो फर्म इज लायबल टू पे द इंटरेस्ट, तो फर्म जो है ब्याज की रकम देगी, तो इसके लिए एक्सपेंस so this one is debited in the profit and loss account. और यहाँ पर firm receive the interest by granting the loan to the B, that will be credited in the profit and loss account, not in profit and loss appropriation account. I think this one is clear for the sake of you. Now next, in case of loss to the firm, my dear children, in case of loss to the firm, whether that is not mentioned in the partnership deed, so there is no any profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. In case of loss, यदि फर्म को नुकसान होता है, फर्म मुनाफा नहीं कमाती है, तो नुकसान की स्थिति में प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट प्रिपेयर नहीं किया जाता है, और जो नुकसान होता है वो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में ही पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर दिया जाता है. बाय इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, सपोज दैट PL account, just you can see over here, PL account of A and B, two partners, ratio 2:1. Loss for the year 9,000. Loss for the year 9,000. So the profit and loss appropriation account is not prepared. In profit and loss account, this way by loss transfer to partners capital account. Partners capital account. Share of A का हो जाएगा आपका 9,000 into 2/3, 6,000 and B का हो जाएगा 3,000. Clear? Now come to the point whether the profit appropriation are more than profit. Whatever the appropriation is more than the profit, and in partnership deed the appropriation is given. How will you calculate? So keep in your mind, A and B, two partners. Keep in your mind, A and B, two partners. A is the non-working partners, contributed capital 12 lakhs. B is the working partner, getting a salary of 7,500 per month. Interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum, ratio 2:1, and profit before providing such appropriation is 70,000. So how will you prepare the profit and loss appropriation account? First, we have to calculate the interest on capital. Is interest on capital. Interest on capital. His capital is 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs into rate of interest on capital 10%. 10 upon 100. 0, 0, 0. Equal to 1,20,000. 1,20,000. B gets a salary per month. B's salary is equal to ये सैलरी कितना पाता है 7,500 रुपए 12 महीने की सैलरी होगी इक्वल टू 0 0 0 90,000 7,500 into 12 is equal to 90,000. Just you are going to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. In the information, profit is given 70,000 only. Means the appropriation is more than the profit. So how will you prepare the profit and loss appropriation account? Profit and loss appropriation account. Just particulars amount, particulars amount. This one is the debit and this one is the credit. How the profit and loss appropriation account is prepared? Now see here, by profit for the year, by profit for the year 70,000. And the appropriation is given in the information. The A is entitled to get interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. He has contributed the capital as 12 lakh rupees and the rate of interest on capital given 10% per annum. So on 10% per annum, the interest on capital will be 1,20,000 rupees. 1,20,000 rupees. And the salary got by the